Dear students, welcome to my channel. In the previous video we have discussed the computation of income from a self-occupied house property and what will be the impact. And today through this video let us discuss the computation of interest on loan or the deduction eligibility under section 24, how it is affected. In this given question, Mr. X took a loan of rupees 16 lakhs at the rate of 10% per annum on 1st July 2017 for constructing a house. The construction of the house was completed in the previous year 2019-20. Compute the interest on loan deductible for the assessment year 2021 if the house is let out one and self-occupied one. See dear friends, first of all we have to see that which is the period in which the construction is completed. The construction completed period is 2019-20, which means 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020. During this period the construction is completed. So prior to the completion of construction, that is 2018-19 and 2017-18 in this case. The loan taken on 1/7/2017 into 31st March 2018. So it will be 9 months. Then this full year, this is 12 months. So interest on loan prior to the completion is rupees 16 lakhs into 10% into 21/12. This year it is 1,60,000, that is 10%, and for the previous year it is 1,60,000 into 9/12 equals 1,20,000. Therefore the total interest prior to the completion of construction is 2,80,000. So it is 1,60,000 multiplied by 21/12. That is also 2,80,000. In both way you can work out. Anyway, the interest on loan prior to the completion of construction period is 2,80,000. Both the way we will get the same answer. Either by adding 1,20,000 plus 1,60,000, that is 2,80,000, or 16 lakhs into 10% into 21/12, both you will get same value, that is 2,80,000. 1/5 of this value 2,80,000 shall be deductible, that is 56,000. That is the interest on loan prior to the completion of construction, 1/5. Then similarly the interest on loan for this previous year. The previous year is 2019-20. So here the interest on loan during the previous year is equal to 1,60,000. So this is the calculation. So let us work out the problem. The amount eligible if it is let out and if it is self-occupied. The interest on loan shall be deductible if it is a let out house property. Then interest on loan during the previous year equals 1,60,000 plus 1/5 of interest on loan prior to completion of construction, that is worked out 56,000. So it is 2,16,000 if it is a let out house property. interest on loan shall be deductible is 2,16,000. Then if it is a self-occupied house property, then deduction for interest on loan maximum possible is up to rupees 2 lakh if the construction that is happened after 1999. So in this case, for a self-occupied house property, the maximum interest on loan deductible is rupees 2 lakh, provided the construction is completed after 1999. Here it is completed in the year, or the loan is taken for the construction and the construction completed in 2019-20, so that he can go a maximum of 2 lakh rupee. So if it is a self-occupied house property, he can deduct under section 24 a maximum amount of 2 lakh. But if it is a let out house property, he can avail 2,16,000 in this particular case. Hope this concept is clear. Thank you very much for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it, and also please share it to your friends and other students. Thank you very much.